My name is Dwight Williams, representing True Up Companies here in Chandler, Arizona. We just received and got delivered and set up HARSLE's 130-ton, 3200 millimeter punch press, 8 axis. Just went through the training for the last 3 days. The machine is very well built. We had looked at several different punch presses or bending presses at this point. We have Amadas, but we chose HARSLE because the price and the quality machine is top of the line. We are very pleased with what we see, and as the weeks go on, we will put it in production and see how it runs. But at this point in time, it's a very nice machine, well built and quite precision. And we have a ESA control on here, which is 875W, and it seems to be doing exceptionally well for what we're wanting to have done. Thank you.
HARSLE. Save time, money.